Happy Boxing Day, dear listeners. This is our time to show you cheap and good plots and houses for sale that are located in Bugesera district, especially in Mayange sector. This is a house located in Bugesera district, Mayange sector, Gakambasel, Kamugenzi village. It has a 300 square meter of its area. It is at a price of 60 million Rwandan francs. This house can make you a house owner too. Thank you for watching, dear. See you next time. Komeza kugira umunsi mwiza wa Noheli. Aka ni kakanya kacu rero ya saha nziza y'uburyohe, wa mwanya mwiza wo kubatuza heza kandi hadahenze, tukubereka inzu n'ibibanza biri kuri make kandi byiza, biherereye mu karere ka Bugesera mu murenge wa Mayange nyirizina. Iyi nzu igiciro cyayo ni miliyoni 6 zonyine, nawe ukayegukana miliyoni 6 z'amanyarwanda, nawe ukegukana inzu nziza gutyo ukabiguze ku mafaranga makeya. Urakoze, Professor Muhigi, nawe ubutaha.